Look at this, ladies and gentlemen, in front of your eyes. That's it. This is the puppet. Look. Hi. Hi. Look at this. That's a real puppet. But I wish that I could somehow make the puppet come to life without me having to do anything.
I heard you say you want the puppet to come to life.
Yeah, that'd be great, but I mean, you can't do that, can you?
I can do anything.
This is going to be a great dynamic.
You can say that again. Nothing ever goes wrong with puppets.
No, nothing ever goes wrong with puppets. Everything's always good with puppets.
It's all good.
Yeah, it's all good.
It's all good.
It's all good. What's that?
Guess who's back?
Oh, it's the puppet. Hey, puppet. What's going on?
You fool. Never bring a puppet to life.
What's going on? Puppet.
I will destroy you.
What? What?
Burn.
Puppet, no.
Burn.
Ah! Puppet.
Burn it all.
Uh-oh.
I'm out of here.
Where are you going? Get him. Get him. Oh, man.
Clownvis to the rescue.